Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, and this is one of their Pokeball Bath Bombs. So the centerpiece was just a piece of paper to make it look like a Pokebomb, but once you remove that, half of it is blue and half of it is white. And it seems like they go through their products pretty frequently, so whenever they're sold out or they're in the process of restocking, you can't actually visit their website. So I couldn't go back to see what the fragrance notes are supposed to be or get any additional information about this bath bomb, but I can tell you it smelled very, very fruity. I loved it. It reminded me of these lifesaver suckers that they had when I was a kid. I don't think they make them anymore. I'm pretty positive because I think I tried to find them years ago. But there was a blueberries and cream one that was blue and white swirled, and it reminded me of this. And I was really excited because it brought back those memories. I was like, oh man, I don't know why they quit making those. They were so amazing. So let me know if you remember what I'm talking about. I think they had an orange and cream one, the blueberry, and then there was strawberries and cream, I think. I think there was just those three flavors, and they were suckers that you can buy in bags, and yeah, so awesome. Love those things. But I digress. So this bath bomb, loved it, and there's a Pokemon hidden inside. They have some really amazing bath bombs. A lot of them don't have anything inside, but they're so colorful, they smell wonderful, they're moisturizing. So make sure you check out my other videos. I have a playlist going. I have tons of products. So at this point, me and Jackson were trying to guess what Pokemon it was. You could tell it was green, but we wanted to wait until it dissolved more. He's obsessed with Pokemon, so I've bought these from other companies before, but this one definitely smelled the best. And we got a little Politoed. Politoed. I say Pokemon names different every time I say it, but yeah. It just comes with a little plastic figurine. They're fun to collect, and there's tons of different ones. So I just wanted to show you what I got today, and I will leave their website below in case you'd like to order something. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.